Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited to make this video for you guys because the topic of today's video is this baby right here. This is the amazing TÄYO Curl Defining Cream by Bukii. Like, y'all don't understand. When Bukii came out, made by my amazing friend Bukii, she already had bomb products. You know, she had her leave-in conditioner, she had her curl butter, she has her hair oil, her shampoo, some other stuff she hasn't released yet, but really awesome stuff. And when she told me she's finally making a curling cream, I was like, yes, because I use curling creams for basically every style I do, whether it's a twist out, braid out, wash and go. Curling creams are the core of every hairstyle I do. So the butter was good. I had tried it and I did manage to do a twist out last year with just the butter, but this curling cream was very much needed. So I'm really happy that she created one. Let me just show it to you a little bit. Anyways, it smells amazing. Smell it. It smells great. Has a really nice texture, really nice, like just like enough. It's just great, okay? I don't even, listen. Y'all don't understand just how happy I am. Like, happy that this is finally ready. It's in this beautiful little packaging. And listen, I'm just really happy that I get to make this video for you guys to let you know what I thought about it, and to show you how well it worked. Spoiler alert, this is the final look. So yeah, it worked really well. But if you would like to see the process as to how we got to this look, then please stay tuned for the rest of the video, and I will definitely tell you my final thoughts about it at the end. And if you've made it this far, I appreciate it, but please like and subscribe. It's super encouraging. And share a comment down below. Have you tried TÄYO yet? Are you ordering it? Have you ordered it? Let me know down below, all right? Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you at the end. Bye. Hold up, wait a minute. I forgot to mention something pretty important. If you wanna go order some TÄYO for yourself or any other Bukii product, please make sure to use my discount code JoJo10 to get 10% off of your order. 10% is quite something, right? I mean, 10% gets you this. So just JoJo10 discount code. You can use it on all your orders. And that was a hair in my eye. And yeah, that's it. Back to the video. Okay, bye. All right, so we are going to begin. I currently have Lolani leave-in conditioner in my hair. My hair is freshly washed. And in the shower, I separated it into 4 sections that are clearly not even. But we're gonna start with the back left section. Please don't be alarmed at the little pieces of nail polish you will see in my hair throughout this video. That's what I get for washing my hair with chipped nails. So I'm gonna take that section in the back and separate it into 2 sort of even sections, and then clip away the sections that I'm not using. So now I'm gonna start with that half at the bottom that we have here. I'm going to be applying the TÄYO Curl Defining Cream. That smells amazing. And I'm gonna be applying it to the whole section. You could also split it in half and then apply it to each little section as you go. So I'm just gonna use a small amount to begin, and I add more as I see fit. I have low porosity hair, so it's really important to work the product into my hair as much as possible so that it can be absorbed, and as you can see, start to make your curls pop a little bit. Another pro tip, use your fingers to rake through your sections of hair to make sure that the product is evenly distributed. Now we're gonna take the queen bee butter, split that section of hair in half, and apply the butter to the half we're going to be working with for now. So we're going to work the butter into the hair nicely and use a detangling brush to make sure the section has no knots. And then to seal in that moisture, we're going to apply the boom hair oil to the section as well, raking it through a little bit too to make sure it is evenly distributed. it's time to twist. So we're gonna try and separate the section into 2 even sections and twisting as close to the root as possible, as you can see, pulling the hair tightly, and twist and twirl all the way until the bottom. Twist all the way until the end and twirl the ends to get that nice little curl at the bottom. And now we're going to repeat the exact same steps on this other section. So I'm going to be showing you the front section, the front right section to be more specific, because here I'm going to be doing something slightly different. I'm still going to be using the curl cream, but I am going to be using only the curling cream and the gel. The gel I'm using, the Don't Shrink from Aunt Jackie's. So here is only going to be a little water, curl cream, and gel, just because I wanted to see how that would turn out. And I'm doing it for the entire front right section. that was fun. So now I'm just gonna let this air dry overnight and come back to show you the takedown. And I'm back, like I never left. So today we are going to be taking down the twists. They've all dried, shrunk a bit. Oh look, another piece of nail polish. Lovely. So now we're gonna take them down using some oils. So this is just a mix of grapeseed oil and Jamaican black castor oil. So I'm just gonna rub it into my hands to help reduce frizz, although my hair always frizzes regardless. And I'm gonna start to unscrew, untwist the twists, and we're just gonna untwist all of them one time before moving on to the next step. Now that we've untwisted the hair once, we're gonna go back to each untwisted section and add more volume by untwisting them again. Now, the amount of times you untwist is up to you. You're basically separating to create volume, so do what works for your head and make sure to do so very gently and with oiled hands. Voila, there's the final product. So as you can see, I untwisted quite a bit. I am gonna have to continue styling because as you see, that part is sticking out of my head. I noticed there was some flaking in the section where I used that gel, so I'm just gonna apply a little more oil there to try and see if I can remove the flakes. I'm still gonna separate a little bit more. So don't use the gel that I used. Learn from my mistakes and don't make the same ones. I don't think that I needed to use gel because the other sections came out even better than this one. So yeah. So in terms of moisture levels, hydration levels, all of it is optimal. Everything, my hair feels super soft. As you can see, there is movement, girl. There is movement. My hair feels really soft, but it has a really good hold as well. So the sections that had the gel versus the ones that didn't felt like they had the same type of hold. Looking there, you can see the flaking that I was talking about earlier. So yeah, definitely don't use the gel as I mentioned before, but look at that movement, child. Look at that movement. Yes, okay. Listen, I was feeling myself that day. Let me tell you. So again, movement. So yeah, it's just, I'm very happy with it. I don't really have anything negative to say. Look at that definition though. Let's just look at that definition. You see that curl? If I hadn't separated my hair as much, it'd look less frizzy, but I like my twist outs to look full from the beginning, which is why I separated it the way I did. But the next day, it looked even better. So honestly, 10 out of 10, I love it. Feeling it, recommend it, all of it. And that's the review, folks. Thank you so much for watching. Head over to adebybuki.com to get your own TÄYO curling cream. Bye.